Hello students, welcome back to my class. In this video, we are going to start a new lesson entitled as money. And you know very well that money is very important for our livelihood. When we go to market to sell or to buy an object, we used to say what is the price of it, right? So, as we know that when we are measuring length, height, weight, area, volume, we use different units. But for the money, money is measured in terms of unit. That is called currency. In India, we would like to say this is 5 rupees. So rupees. So Indian currency is rupees. Okay? RUPPS. The sign is like this. We used to say rupees. And another is paise. You know, 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. P for paise. Okay? Different countries have different currencies. Like Bangladesh, Bangladesh currency is taka. Britain's currency is pound. USA, that is United States of America, its currency is dollar. You know, dollar. It's dollar. The $1 equal to 78 rupees. So it is changing daily. Okay. So different countries have different currencies like money. Okay, like rupees. So Indian currency is known as rupees. We used to say the price of this thing is 500 rupees or 28 rupees 50 paise, like this. Okay, so when we travel from one country to another country, we must have the currency of the country we are visiting. In India, we can buy or sell things in rupees, that I said. Okay, so let's start with the exercise 12.1. Okay, first one, compare and put greater than, less than or equal to in the boxes. First one, 1A is given 6,795 paise and box and rupees 68. This is rupees 68 and this currency is given in paise. In Indian currency is in paise, but it is given in rupees. And I told you 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. It means when you are converting, rupee is the bigger unit for measuring money and the paise is the smaller unit. When you are going to convert rupee to paise, so you have to multiply by 100. And when you are converting smaller unit, that is paise, to bigger unit rupees, so you have to divide by 100. So here it is given 6795 paise, but here it is rupees 68, so you can't compare. So at first you have to convert this 68 rupees to paise. So 68 rupees equal to 68 into 100, that is 6800 paise. Now we can compare. Both units are same. Now we can compare. Since it is 6795 and it is 6800, so you know that less than sign will come. It means 6,800 paise is greater than 6795 paise. Similarly, this also be less than, because rupees 80 equal to 8,000, but 8,000 is less than 8,050, so the less than sign will come, and it is 121 rupees and it is 125 paise, because you have 120 and more 5 rupees extra, and 5 rupees, you have 5 rupees extra, so it is 125 rupees, and 125 is greater than 121, so less than will come. E number, rupees 50 plus rupees 50, if you add them, then you will get 100 rupees, and 100 rupees equal to 100 and 00, that is 10,000 rupees, not rupees, 10,000 paise, but it is given 1,000 paise, so which is bigger than 1,000 paise, so greater than sign will come. Similarly, this is both units are same, so you can say that, say first the digit is 8, same, and the next digit is 1, but it is 7, so less than sign will come. So 8,715 is greater than 8,175 paise. Now come to the next question. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Rupees 178.00. When the decimal, this is the decimal number, when the decimal number is given, so the unit will be always rupees. Okay, so when we are converting in paise, so that in paise, so there will be no decimal place, so it is rupee 178.00. it means 178, it's 0.00 will be multiplied by 100. So you know that the rule of multiplication by 100, so this decimal point will be moved, this decimal point will be moved right side. Okay, how many digits? 2 digits, so it will be 178.00 paise, so here it will come 178.00 paise. Question number B, it is given 528.00 paise, so you have to convert in rupees, so you have to divide by 100. Now it will make rupees 528. Similarly, question number C, it is given 73.35 rupees, so it will be 73.35, that is 7,335, because the rule of the multiplication by 100, it will say that when you are multiplying by 1000, the decimal point will move to the right side after 2 digit. Okay, or you can say that this decimal point will be placed right side after the 2 digit after multiplication. Okay, so 7335 will be the answer. Similarly, it will be 3250 paise, and it will be 700 paise, means rupees 7 only. Okay, now come to the exercise 12.2. 12.2, here we will add the money. Okay, question number 1A, it is given, add each of the following: rupees 732 and rupees 28.50. okay, you know, the addition will be in the same way that we have done for the whole numbers. Nothing will be changed, nothing will be new. That I have done before, we will use again, we will do same thing again. So 732, you can do it in two different way. At first you make a column rupees and paise. At first, in the rupee you write 732, and in paise 00, and it is 28.50. So it is write down 28 in and 50 at paise. Now you simply add them. You will get 0, 5, 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 760. So 7 rupees 760 50 paise, or you can write 760.50 rupees. When you are mentioning rupees, so it will come a decimal point, okay, if it is given or if it is required. Okay, now if you do it in the another method, so simply you write down 732.00 rupees and rupees 28.50. Simply add them, you will get the answer. 0, 5 decimal point will come, then 0, carry 1, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 760. So you can do it in this way. Okay, now I am solving question number D. Question number D is given rupees 632.85, then rupees. So this is the question. Okay, so all the decimal places are like decimals, right? Because after the decimal point the digits are same. There are 2 digits for all these 3 addends. Now you add, so 5 plus 5 is 10, carry 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, decimal point will come, and 1 will be carried over. So 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1. So 1 plus 7 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, and carry 1. So 1 plus 6 is 7, so rupees 720.30. So in this way you can solve B, C and E number. This is your home task. Okay, you do it, and I think you can do it easily. Very easy questions. Okay, now the next topic is subtraction. The first question is given rupees 8.35 from rupees 138.20. So you have to write down at first the minuend, which is 138.20, and the next subtrahend is given 8.35. Simply subtract. You know the rule of subtraction, so it will be 10 and it will be 1. So 10 minus 5 is 5, you can subtract, so it will be 11 and it would be 7. So 11 minus 3 is 8, decimal point will come, you can't subtract, so it would be 17 and it will be 2. So 17 minus 8 is 9 and it will come 2 and it will be 1. So rupees 129.85. This is the answer. Okay, now if I choose question number D, so it is given 283.75 from rupees 500. So at first you write down 500, and next one is given 283.75. so you have to mention this point after this decimal point. You will add 2 zeros. The valuation will be same, just to convert the like decimals. We have done this. Okay, now subtract. It will come 5, 2, 6, 1, 2. So rupees 216.25 is the answer for question number D. And B, C and E, this is your home task. Please do it in your copy. Okay, now come to the question number 3. It says, how much money does Vaibhav need to buy all the following items? Okay. Price of pen is rupees 8.50. Then price of geometry box. I have only written the box, and it is given 45.75, and the rupee price of the eraser is rupees 2, and the price of the sharpener is rupees 3.50. So total price is rupees. That means you have to do addition. So 5 will come, then 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, carry 1, decimal point will come. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, and carry 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 59.75. So Vaibhav need to buy all of the following items in rupees 59.745. This is the answer. How much money does Vaibhav need? The Vaibhav needs rupees 59.75 to buy the following items. Okay. Now question number. Okay. Now you have to write Vaibhav needs rupees 59.75 to buy the following items. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4 says Anuj purchased a mask for rupees 10.75, but he gave the shopkeeper a rupees 20, a note. Okay. Anuj gave extra money, right? Anuj gave rupees 20 note, but Anuj purchased of rupees 10.75, right? So you can write 20.00. So if you subtract, then you will get the answer. How much money will he get back? Okay. So if you subtract, then you will get 50 is 5. It's 2. Decimal point is 9. So rupees 9.25. So he will get back of rupees 925. Okay. Now come to the question number 5. Nina went to fruit shop. She bought the following fruits. How much money will she get back if she gave shopkeeper to rupees 500? Okay. So she bought an apple. She bought apple for rupees 125.00. She bought bananas for rupees 50, grapes for rupees 105 point. So total price of rupees, that means addition 00. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry 1. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So rupees 280. So total price. So she bought of rupees. She bought the items of rupees 280, and C gave rupees 500 to shopkeeper, right? So C will get back of rupees 500 minus rupees 280. That is, if you subtract 500 minus 280, 0.00, 0.00, so 0.00 will be same, and 0 it is 2, so 220. So rupees 220 she will get back. Okay, so that's all.